y'all, what it do, beauties? It's your girl Brandi Dione, and we are back with another video. But before we get started, I'm gonna go ahead and ask you guys to go ahead and click that red button and subscribe to this channel, y'all, so that you can stay in the know. So you guys can stay in the new of all of my new videos that I will have coming up featuring pretty looks just like this one. I'm going to ask all of you guys to go ahead and head over to my reaction channel, Brandi Dione Reacts. I will have that in the description box down below. But that channel is so lit, y'all. I react to different videos that you guys want me to react to, and I just be geeking and having fun with y'all. Well, with my subscribers on that channel. And yeah, it's lit over there. So definitely go ahead and subscribe to that channel, y'all. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get right into this video. So as y'all can see, I created this look in honor of Pride Month. This rainbow look, it came out really, really pretty and really, really gorgeous. So I'm really excited for you guys to see how I created this look. But the reason why I'm really excited is because I just went to Sephora a couple days ago, actually. I just went to Sephora and I spent a ton of money in there, y'all. So I'm going on vacation next week, and I shouldn't have been spending all that money because I need that for my vacation. I'm going out the country. But anyway, I went to Sephora and I picked up so many goodies, y'all. So many goodies. One of the goodies is featuring the Natasha Denona palette, which I will be using for this look. I will be creating this look using this palette. I also picked up some Huda Beauty lip gloss and just a bunch of stuff, y'all. I picked up this Kevin Aucoin. I can't really pronounce his name, but I picked up a palette for him that I'm gonna be featuring in another video. So I just picked up a bunch of things, y'all, and I'm so excited to share with y'all. As I mentioned, I will be featuring the Natasha Denona palette today that I used on this look, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, y'all, I really hope that y'all like this look. I'm not gonna talk too much. Again, this is another video that will be muted, y'all, just because I talk too much and my video is gonna end up being too long. This video is gonna be long anyway because it's gonna be detailed, y'all, so get used to it because it's gonna be long. But again, it is gonna be featuring the Natasha Denona palette. It's also gonna be featuring this lip strobe Huda Beauty lip gloss. I just picked up a bunch of these and I'm taking these on my vacation with me, okay? Because it is bomb. But yeah, y'all, I really hope that y'all like this look. It's for Pride Month. I decided to do a look for Pride Month. So to the LGBTQ community, this is for y'all. And yeah, so anyway, y'all, we're gonna get right into this video. If you like what you see, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, y'all. If you like what you see, go ahead and subscribe, y'all, because I will have more pretty beautiful looks coming up. I know I've been slacking, y'all, but I got 2 channels now, so it's like kind of hard trying to balance 2 of them. And that channel, I'm almost at 500 subscribers on that channel. I just started that channel last month, so that channel is really lit. So go ahead over to Brandi Dione Reacts and subscribe, y'all. Then come back and finish watching this video. But anyway, yeah, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna show y'all this look. Stay tuned, and yeah, we out this thing.